Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Makartt pink polygel review. Also, I want to let you guys know that there is a sale going on right now for this kit and other kits by Makartt on Amazon. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, I will add the link down in my description box. The sale starts August 9th through August 15th. And also, guys, if you can't shop on Amazon for some reason, you can always go to the Makartt website where you can also use my 15% off discount code. So, totally up to you guys. I'm going to use my 5XL Stilettos by Couture. Okay, guys, so I already have them all buffed and ready to go. They are pre-etched, but you want to go ahead and etch the underside with an e-file or a primer. Go ahead and get your nails prepped and ready. You guys know I use a peel-off coat, peel-off base. So what I am going to do is take my foil glue, regular foil glue, put one coat of this on, very thin, onto my nail, and then you're just going to let that air dry. So I'm going to just jump right into it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I do appreciate you guys coming over. And for all of my older subscribers, thank you so much for the continued support. Love you guys. Here are the beautiful pink. I think we get one clear, 3 pinks. You get your pink nail surface slip solution. How cool is that? I love how Makartt sets up their stuff. I freaking love it. You've got your 100-180 grit pink file. Looky here, you get a Makartt brush and picker that's also pink. Love. I am here for it, ladies and gentlemen. I am here for it. I am here for it. You also get pink base and top coat. I will quickly swatch these for you guys. These are the 15 mLs. Now, Makartt did tell me they are coming out with bigger tubes of certain colors, so you'll have to stay tuned. You also get dual forms. I have used these ones, I believe, in the past. They do have a really nice curve, and I like the curve. I like the curve. If you guys are interested in any of my dual form videos, I do have a playlist. I'll link it in the cards. And of course, last but not least, you have your pink nail instruction manual. You've got everything that comes in the kit, how to with the dual forms, paper forms. It's got your precautions, what is in the polygel, which is right there. Okay, you've got questions and answers. You've got other things that they have, ways to contact them, and so on and so forth. And I really like the fact that they send a clear with almost all of their kits. I really like that. So there is the clear. Oh, I like it. It's like a highlighter pink. Look at that. I love that. I'm sure everybody and their mom and brother have already reviewed this kit. I have not. I'm actually going to be reviewing the blue kit next Friday in a collaboration with Tia Bella Beauty. So you guys stay tuned for that. It's going to be a super fun video. These pinks, oh my god, I'm in love. I love these colors. They really did it. So we have a really nice white, we have the clear, we have the really nice bright highlighter kind of jelly. We have a really nice softer pink jelly. And then we have this softer pink that is opaque. So 3 jellies and 1 opaque. Grab your slip. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the base coat from Cuticle to Free Edge. Go ahead and apply your base. Once your base is on, go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. I have some of these little Fimo, they're like little Fimo sprinkles. I got them from AliExpress, and I haven't used them, and I really wanted to encapsulate these with the polygel. Some metallic or like the mirror glitters. and these are the fall leaves. You've applied your polygel to the tips. Go ahead and take the Makartt top coat, and you're going to encapsulate the polygel. You want to do this before you shape, file, and buff. Just go ahead and top coat. So I'm going to go do that real quick, cure them for 60 seconds, and then we'll be back. These are really sharp. These do have a really sharp C-curve, so I am going to use a little bit more polygel than normal, and I'm just going to use my base as a slip because I've already dumped out the slip solution. So just put your base coat on the polygel and start maneuvering it to all of those empty spots. Flip it. Apply it. Make sure it goes to your free edge. And cure. A little bit of clear. A little bit of base. Brush. Okay, flip it. Get you guys up here. Okay, you can see it go to your free edge. once it gets there, you're going to cure it. Okay, there we go. Alright guys, I'm going to continue to apply them, and then we'll come back after I've filed, shaped, and buffed them. Alright ladies, after you shape, file, and buff, it's time to apply your bling. So I'm using the Sweet Cravings kit by Makartt. This is their Sweet Cravings decor kit. I've got 2 of the stars. The only thing I think that's not Makartt is the stickers, and these are from Couture. And then you just lay it down flat. Alright ladies, I'm going to take my rhinestone glue. This is what the stickers look like. Got them on that finger and the pinky. A star there. And a star there. A donut on the middle finger and the pinky finger. Put this one. Put that one there. And we'll put this one here. Cute little chocolate one. We're just going to put a couple candies on, on the snail. We're just going to put a little dot of the rhinestone glue. Put that over that rhinestone glue. Okay, let's encapsulate those stickers. Go ahead and top coat your, your chocolates and your candies and stuff. Okay, after you top coat, go ahead and pop it into your light for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to grab some cuticle oil. I have my Makartt strawberry cuticle oil that comes in the cuticle oil kit that they released. That is also the Sweet Cravings collection. Alright, last but not least, go ahead and apply your cuticle oil. And there we have some cute candy sprinkled donut cupcake star nails. Oh my goodness, you guys, these were so fun. So would you wear these? Would you guys wear these? Would you guys rock these? Let me know down in the comment section below. So that is how they turned out. Absolutely love this poly gel. It is beautiful. Thank you, Makartt, for sending this collection. You guys rock. And guys, like I said, if you can't take advantage of the sale that's going on, definitely go take advantage of my discount code with Makartt and get you something on their website. So let's really quickly look what we got. There's everything that comes in the kit besides the dual forms, and then the candy, the Sweet Cravings decor with the Sweet Cravings cuticle oil sticks, colors. The sprinkles are from AliExpress. I'll leave a link. And then the stickers are from Couture. And so are the nails. But I did have a lot of fun. So stay tuned for the blue kit. It will be coming very, very soon. And with that said, please don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Give me some pink emojis. Lots of pink. Lots of cupcakes. Lots of donuts. Really cute. Fun. Yummy emojis. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe.